thunderstorm warning for northeastern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, southeastern Morris County in northern New Jersey, Somerset County in northern New Jersey, north central Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, until 3:45 p.m. At 3:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over White House Station, 47 miles northwest of Somerville, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Morristown, Somerville, Bridgewater, Madison, Middlesex, Florida Park, Hamilton, Bound Brook, Mandel, Chatham, Mendham, High Bridge, Peapack and Gladstone, Lebanon, Far Hills, Flagtown, Martinsville, Millington, Cloverdale, and White House Station. This includes the following highways: Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 19 and 42. Interstate 80 in New Jersey near mile marker 48. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 7 and 39. For your protection, move to an interior room on the fourth floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Middlesex, Morris, and Somerset.